In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Google Chrome. If a web page looks a little too large and you're having to scroll more than usual, zooming out is a quick way to fit more on your screen without changing your computer's display settings. Chrome makes this really easy, and I'll walk you through the fastest method so you can pick the one that feels most natural. First up is the quickest option, the keyboard shortcut. With your Chrome window active, press Ctrl and the minus key. Each press nudges the page a bit smaller, so tap it a few times until everything looks comfortable. You'll see the content shrink smoothly, and if you keep going, you'll notice more of the page fits on screen. This is perfect when you want an immediate change without taking your hands off the keyboard. If you prefer using a mouse, try the scroll method. Hold down the Ctrl key, then scroll your mouse wheel down. As you scroll, Chrome will gradually zoom out in small steps, which makes it easy to stop exactly where it feels right. This approach is great for fine-tuning, especially when you want a gentle, precise adjustment rather than big jumps. You can also do it from Chrome's menu if you like seeing the exact zoom percentage. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the menu. Look for the zoom section, then click the minus button to reduce the zoom level. You'll see the percentage change as you click, so you always know where you are. This is handy if you want a visual indicator or if you just prefer using the mouse for everything. Now, if things ever look way too small or too big, there's a simple reset. Press Ctrl and the number 0, and Chrome will jump straight back to 100%, the default size. This is the fastest fix when a page suddenly looks off. It's also useful to remember that Chrome typically remembers your zoom level per site, so if you tweak it for one page, it may stay that way the next time you visit. If a shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure the web page is active by clicking anywhere on it first. That's all you need to confidently zoom out in Google Chrome. Use Ctrl plus minus for speed, Ctrl plus scroll down for smooth control, the menu for a visual guide, and Ctrl plus 0 to reset anytime. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.